Welcome back to the channel. I got a brand new vanity mirror from Dowry on Amazon. This rectangular mirror is made out of stainless steel and polished chrome, and it is very sleek and modern looking. It also has a very minimalist design. Some of the better hotels that maybe you've been to, maybe you have been to, have a mirror very similar to this, and it's great. So just to clarify, this is not a mirror that you have to hold in your hand or mount anywhere. This is a countertop mirror, and it is handy for if you need to draw your eyebrows on, maybe put some mascara, maybe pluck something here or there. It has great magnification. It's 3 times magnification, just to clarify that as well. And it has a 360-degree pivot. So you can position it in any way that is comfortable to you, that may be convenient to see while you're putting on makeup, doing your skincare routine, or even putting on contact lenses. It measures 8.3 inches by 5.8 inches, so it's not big. It's going to take up your entire vanity or your desk or anything like that. It does have a non-skid rubber bottom. I do want to point out that I did not have to put this together when I received this. So right out of the box, you are able to put this on. Maybe you have a night out the night when you get this, and then you'll be easily able to put on all your makeup. It is very lightweight as well. I don't see this as a problem carrying across the room. You're not going to have to worry about, oh, I need someone else to carry this. It's nice, it's sturdy, and it's very sleek looking. I really love the modern look to this. This mirror would fit in just about anywhere in your bathroom, maybe your bedroom. It is very easy to adjust the mirror. All you have to use is the handle, so you don't have to worry about getting the front dirty, getting anything dirty, especially since this is polished chrome. I do find that this makes maneuvering the mirror a lot easier than maybe a mirror you get from Target, where you have to like flip it and find the right magnification you need to put your mascara on. But yeah, it gives you a very clear image and a great magnifying one as well. I did notice a lot of comments on Amazon referring that people have seen this type of mirror, or maybe even this mirror, in their luxury hotels when they have stayed away on vacation. So this is an easy way to bring this from a luxury hotel or a great vacation you went on to your home and be able to easily apply makeup. So here's a better look at it all around. Like I mentioned earlier, it is very lightweight. This has a very stable base, so you're not going to have to worry about it breaking or, just simple malfunction. And that's what I really appreciate about this. I have dealt with some very poorly designed mirrors where something broke. Alright, so that's a look at the Dowry mirror from Amazon. This can be found in the description section below, so check that out. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.